Chaos. And you know what, too? Help me, Lord. Some of you are in that state, and looks like it's all ordered. Everything's in place. But in the inside, you're torn. There's a hole in your heart. You look good, you look together, but this is what's happening on the inside. You're broken. You're confused. There's chaos. There is no intimacy. You're believing that this is your life, and this is all there is. But it's not true. This is the chaos that we go through when we don't do what the Word is so clearly giving us to do. Let me share something with you that the Lord shared with me. You can do hard things. You can break cycles. You can break beliefs. You can change the story that's going on in your mind. The one that you've been telling yourself, that this is all there is. This is all I am. This is all I have. Obedience is better than sacrifice. How do we end this? How do we make ourselves whole again? And I'm almost done. Family, God's order brings peace. His order brings peace. His order brings clarity. His order refreshes. His order restores. His word restores us. It brings us back to the men and women of God that He sees.